What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. I threw in a bunch of clips from all of September that I didn't make a full episode on, along with we're coming up on mid-October right now. I got one more fishing trip planned for the rest of the year, going out saltwater fishing. Danny chartered a boat, so we're going to head out and hopefully catch some pollock and some haddock and make some good content for you. Other than that, I'm just going to sit around and wait for early ice. Hopefully it comes, and I hope to catch you guys soon. I know I'm running out of content here. Bass fishing is about shut down, so hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment if you want. Have a good one. See you soon.
Jeez, that just blew it up. God, he just blew it up. He's not even a monster. Oh, he's all right. Wow, he's not even that big, but he blew this thing up like a torpedo. That was insane. First fish of the morning. Let's go. Oh yeah, he's still there. It's all right. It's an all right fish. Hey Larry, what's up? Larry, not too bad. Got one already. Not big, but
2 switches and a jacket.
yeah, buddy. That's actually a pretty good bass right there.
Let's go, fish number 1.
I just had one.
They're out in the middle. Little guy.
Little Larry. The fuck, yeah?
That one seems better. A little bit better. You bring a far with that.
Huh?
Get a bite.
Here we go.
Little guy. Right on your bass. Not too shabby. Nope.
And that, to us, gives a little bit more stealth. And we run ours on a 3 a lot, we do it out of wind. And then as far as setting it out goes, we basically have it set on a line counter. And throw it over to the side. Make sure that it is
I got fish. Good laker. Good laker. Yeah. Good laker. Sweet. Screwing off watching
watching YouTube, learning how to use the Dipsy Diver. Got a nice laker this morning. Heck yeah, man.
Oh my drag, you from the trolling. No. Please be there still. Please not feel that. Oh, I'm such a fucking schmuck. He is. Yep.
Oh my.
That's not little.
No, it's not. Oh. Yeah, but
Let's go. I
Good
can't
deal.
believe he was still on.
I know.
More than I thought.
It ain't.
Let's go. Yep.
Today, boys. Not today.
Oh man,
Not bad.
not a bad fish. Yep. Tastes like chicken. Oh, Alex. Might be there. What do we got here? Oh! The baby toad! Little baby laker.
Nice. The orange. My first lakey.
It's nice. He ain't keeper size, but still.
It still tastes good.
Oh yeah.
About 5 minutes later, I see a man in my peripheral slowly approaching to my right. After a very quick and courteous hello, he says, quote, "I need you to put your mask on." Quote, "Sir, I've signed the waiver, and once I enter the building, I will put mine on and wear it. But you have no legal right or authority. I have the authority, any capacity, nor do
I wonder how long he's been on there.
His response, "Okay, then I can't let you in the building." Wait, what? What reason could you possibly have to deny the entry? Well, he just said that. The people in the health department said
All right.
you have to not wear you have to wear a mask. He goes, wait. He said, "You're not coming
that's a
in."
brown.
And now he says, "Okay."
Oh yeah, it is a brown. You're going. Kind of plop it a little bit like you would the downrigger. Nope, too tight. All right, reel up. Good luck. It's brown. Nice. One, two, three. Wait, are you good? I don't know. You're going again.
When you're talking about ethics.
You gotta be kidding me. Salmon?
Oh shit.
That's a keeper salmon.
Hell yeah, dude.
That's a keeper salmon, dude. Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Nah, you got